What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So I picked this up, right? I actually picked this up on a Black Friday deal, and I thought, you know what? I got it. I got it for a very, very good price from Curry. For a very, very, very good price. It's literally all this is in one. So it's a whole bundle. And I don't know where you can get this, because I looked everywhere. You can't get a bundle like this, especially from Razer as well. And you know what kind of big brand they are. So you get a keyboard. No, you get a keyboard. What keyboard is it anyway? Well, looks like a good keyboard. Get a keyboard. You get a headset. You get a mouse pad, and you get a Razer mouse as well. So everything Razer, all your peripherals in here, sorted. Literally, this was a bundle, and I thought, you know what, I did not want to miss it, because obviously you can have one keyboard, one mouse, and all that, and one headset, but you want to try the whole variety and see what's going on. But yeah, I just couldn't resist. I just could not resist. But anyway, let's unbox this big ass box. We don't really unbox massive box on here that often, but it's because I've never had a big box to unbox. It's this big. There we go. That was so stressful. But anyway, there's no point in me going through the details on this and what's on it. Pretty much, it's RGB keyboard, RGB mouse. Headset is surround sound as well, so is my Corsair one, which I've got on the table right now, which is over there. Sick headphones. If you want to see a video on that, click up there, you find it. It's an unboxing video. It's a sick video. But yeah, mouse pad. Would have loved to see a little bit of RGB on the mouse pad, but I don't really see any RGB on the mouse pad in the picture. And then the mouse has got RGB. I'm currently using a Logitech mouse, which is there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but now let's grab this big boy out. Flipping out. Flipping huge. Not that it's huge, not even it being huge, it's heavy as well. So I had to carry it back to my house on foot. I had to carry that, I had to carry the Echo Dot, and I had to carry the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, which is right behind me there. I had to carry all that and walk it on. So I have this big box here. Wow. Let's just give it up for Razer. Look at the packaging. The quality of the packaging is just absolutely insane. And then in the box, we have the keyboard. There's nothing else in here. Let's put that away. So, we've got the keyboard, and we have the rest of the peripherals in here. So, it even tells you the names of it as well, of what's in the box, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we've got so much stuff. Let's start off with the keyboard. Because apparently these Razer keyboards are pretty damn cool. And we're about to experience it. That looks pretty damn amazing. It's pretty much boxed up the way my Logitech thing was unboxed, but in this one you get a little bit of information on it. Oh, sick. You even get stickers as well. That's mad. So you get stickers, and this is, I think, yeah, this is how you use, yeah, this is just what you read to tell you how to use the thing and all that stuff. So let's put that to the side. This is the main attraction. Keyboard. Wow. Does look good. It looks good. The wire isn't braided for some reason, don't know why. Obviously the Logitech one was braided, which was good, so there's no ripping or anything like that. We are definitely going to be testing this keyboard out 110%. I mean, it's not exactly mechanical, but I mean, it's still going to do the job for a cheap price. It's still going to do the job. It's an RGB, looks like a gaming keyboard, so yeah, why not? Put that over there like that. So let's move on. Let's start with this box. Let's start with a small box. I'm guessing this is the mouse. I'm guessing that's going to be the mouse. So let's get into the box. Hey, it's the mouse. And also, more stickers from Razer, which is pretty cool. And then you get a little bit of information about the mouse and stuff like that, which we don't really need. Yeah, this is the mouse. Oh, the mouse cable is in fact braided. It's got a nice braid to it. The wire is braided, which is nice. And then speaking for the actual mouse. I mean, Razer is green in that, but I can't feel the quality there. I can't feel. I mean, it's nice. It's very light. It's a light keyboard. It's a light mouse. I mean, I like something with a little bit of weight on it. So if you're gaming and you're throwing it around the table, then you can feel that you're throwing it around the table, and you can kind of immerse yourself in the game as well, if that makes sense. I don't know if it makes sense, but anyway, yeah, that's the mouse. That's the mouse. It looks really good. I might actually do a giveaway on this because I probably won't be using any of this at all. Probably won't be using any of this stuff. So I might be doing a giveaway with that. So just like the video and comment down below. Tell me you want to win the whole bundle, so I know exactly who wants to win it. So I'm not just giving it out to random people. But yeah, that's what you gotta do. If you want to win it, just like the video, subscribe as well, because I'll be checking if you're subscribed or not. Comment down below if obviously you're a subscriber. Comment down below, tell me you're a subscriber and you want to win the whole bundle. But yeah, we got the mouse, the mouse pad, but I don't have any words. I just don't. It's so tight. What are you gonna be? What eliminations are you gonna be getting with this on Fortnite? With a tiny ass small mouse pad. Look at this. It's just so small. What? I can't move around this. I mean, props. It does feel nice, but it's just the mouse pad is just a bit too small for me. Way too small. I'll just put that to the side. Put that away to the side. And then now, let's have a look at this. And there's nothing else in the box. That's nice. This is the headset. I mean, I've seen these headsets going for, I don't know how much, but I've seen them being sold in their own. And from what I've seen, they look like they're gonna be pretty damn good. Unlock your headset food protect. Oh wow. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Okay. That's cool. You got this thing saying unlock the full potential of your headset. So whoever wins this, I'm not gonna scratch that. Whoever wins this, they can unlock the full potential by themselves. They can scratch it and see what that's about. Oh, we got more stickers. Mad. Props to Razer with the stickers. Hooking us up with the stickers. That's pretty damn cool. Yeah, we just have a little information on how to use the device and all that. But yeah, anyway, the main attraction is in the box. So let's just... Whoo! I I can really feel it, and it feels very impressive. It feels nice and soft. There's nothing else in there. Wow. Flipping hell, that looks amazing. Look how it's been wrapped up with this nice soft matte kind of finish. That's nice. That is nice. That is really good. I mean, I was hoping the ear cups were going to be a little bit more bigger, but they're not really that big. So which is like right and left? Oh, this is left. This is okay. There's a lot of flex there, and then you got this nice soft bit for your head, which is nice. But this is definitely not going to fit my. Okay, maybe it will. It's adjustable as well. Which is pretty cool. Whew. I like the way that fits. That is very comfortable. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing a hood, but that is very comfortable. The cushion is flipping. That is soft. But unfortunately, I don't think this is going to be good for my ear, because like my ears are quite big, and these ear cups are not exactly that big. I need something that is going to fit on my ear very nice and comfortably. I mean, the ear cups are very, very soft and squishy, which is very nice. But I mean, apart from that, that's pretty much it. But yeah, props to Razer for giving us stickers and every single thing. But yeah, I mean, yeah, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that link below to check out my social media platforms. We need that to be going up nicely. And then also don't forget to, obviously, if you want to win this whole item here, down below tell me in the comment section that you're subscribed and you want to win this, and I will pick a winner sometime. I'll give it 2 weeks, and then yeah. But anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.